Hi everyone. So let's come to exciting part. How to use this little wonder. It's very simple. First open these two flaps. Then take one of the plate. Put the paper on it. Now this is the back side of the die. And this is the front side of the die which has design. So while placing the die, keep the front side facing down and the back side up. Now make a sandwich and roll through the machine. While cutting paper, you may hear the crack sound as the cut is being made. Continue crackling until the tray is all the way through the other side. You can run your designs 2-3 times back and forth for better and clean cut. I am using regular printer paper. Now I am using a thin piece of foam just to show you that it cuts foam too, but not the thicker ones, the thin ones only. Hold tightly from the center for better grip and to give extra support to the machine while cutting the design. Kindly note, since I am using a paper as a base below the machine, that's why the machine is a little bit moving. Otherwise, if you keep straight on the table or on the floor, it won't move because it has a rubber grip for support. Let's unravel the design now. For that, we need thin ball tool or a proper craft tool. I'm using a ball tool. I hope you like the video. A very simple way to use the machine. Trust me, it is the best product so far a crafter could have. Stay tuned for the next video where I will be sharing its review. And if you like this video, do subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. How did you find this video? Or if you have any question, please comment below. Thank you for stopping by. See you soon. Until next time.